Hi, my dear fellow transurfers, and welcome to day 10 out of 78 days of this Reality Transurfing course that I've created based on books, teachings, and workshops made by Vadim Zeland, the quantum physicist. Card of the day is called Liberation, and this is a short description of the card. Life will give you everything you intend to have if you are convinced without reservation that it is rightfully yours. Your choice is therefore a law, subject to unconditional fulfillment. Freedom of choice, determination to have, is created by the energy of intention. But if there is some excess potential present of inner and outer importance, then your intention will have no power. So, in order to let go of the seeming importance of things, be conscious of your actions and aware of the things you attribute inflated importance and the consequences of doing so. The energy of excess potential is dissipated through action. So, run your goal slide in your mind and quietly place one foot in front of the other in the direction of your goal. This is all the action you need to take. So when we look at the visual presentation of the card, we can see a maiden in distress, most probably, and a man who liberated her by slaying this beast and taking an inspired action. So he had this goal or a clear intention of liberating her, and she was receptive to be liberated. And only in combination they could actually slay this beast. And this beast usually represents our resentment or our blockages towards the goal. So this could be due to the excess potential we attribute to certain things, or due to giving too much importance, either inner importance or outer importance, to those things. So, for example, if this beast represents an outer importance for this man, and if he was intimidated by this importance, if he would attribute so much importance to this, then he would not be able to have a laser focus on his goal or his intention, and he would be actually distracted by his by this beast, and most probably the beast would win. Instead, he didn't attribute too much of importance. He was actually taking the inspired action of actually slaying this beast, but his eyes were actually on the prize, so to speak, and he didn't get distracted by giving it too much of importance. So this would be kind of a visual explanation of the aforementioned text. So the overall conclusion about this card of the day would be to actually have a goal, a clear intention about your goal. What is it that you actually want? And then play this in your mind over and over again, and also take inspired action towards that goal, but not in a way that creates all those excess potentials, or with giving it too much of importance. So in a sense, you kind of release the goal into the universe and say, okay, whatever happens, happens. I'm not so identified with the goal or obsessed with the goal, but at the same time, I'm very kind of determined that this goal is actually here for me and that I'm attaining this goal. And you can see that you're attaining this goal. But then again, I mean, even the universe can help you in ways that are actually not even amongst those that you were thinking about. And so you kind of have to have this freedom to leave it up to the universe to actually surprise you in a very interesting and creative ways of attaining that goal. Having said that, this would be all for today, and a short explanation and discussion about the card of the day. Follow me tomorrow as well for another video, and I thank you for your time and your interest in this course. Thank you so much, and goodbye.